Ever wondered how safe your Wi-Fi network really is? Well, you're about to find out. In this age of digital connectivity, ensuring the security of your Wi-Fi network is as crucial as locking your front door. So how does one go about securing a Wi-Fi network? Let's dive into it. First, change the default name of your network, also known as SSID. This might seem like a cosmetic change, but it's more than that. Using the default SSID can make your network an easy target for hackers, as it often reveals the type of router you're using. Go for something unique and unidentifiable, but avoid using personal information like your name or address. Next, make sure to set up a strong password. The more complex, the better. A combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols can strengthen your password significantly. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Third, encrypt your Wi-Fi network. Encryption scrambles the information sent over your network so it can't be easily read by others. The most secure form of encryption currently available for Wi-Fi networks is WPA3, but if your router doesn't support it, WPA2 is a strong second option. Fourth, regularly update your router's firmware. This is the software that runs your router. Manufacturers often release updates to patch security vulnerabilities. So, keeping your router's firmware up to date helps ensure your network's security. Lastly, consider setting up a guest network. This allows visitors to access the internet without giving them access to your main network and the devices connected to it. To summarize, securing your Wi-Fi network involves changing the default network name, setting up a strong password, encrypting your network, regularly updating your router's firmware, and considering the use of a guest network. These steps aren't just about preventing others from using your internet connection without permission. They're about safeguarding your personal information from those with malicious intent. Remember, the digital world is as real as the physical one. And just like you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, you shouldn't leave your Wi-Fi network unprotected. Security might seem like a daunting task, but with these steps in hand, you're well on your way to a safer, more secure internet experience.